Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. Locate the connector labeled A1 and connector cover labeled C3 from the package and keep close by. To remove the current connector, pull both sides apart and raise the cover by pushing down on the inside tab. Light force may be necessary to push the tab down. Once the connector lid is open, squeeze the base of the connector to release the cover and pull away. To install your new connector, labeled A1, align the connector over the wiper base with the notch on top facing forward and snap into place. Attach the connector cover labeled C3 by squeezing the back of the connector base to allow for the pins of the cover to insert into the pinholes in the base. Align the wiper blade and connector with the wiper arm. Hold the connector base in place and slide the connector onto the wiper arm at a slight angle until you hear a click. If your vehicle arm has two side tabs, ensure the connector is installed between them. Close the connector cover and you will hear a second click. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.